we've decided to walk local. So we've taken about, I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes to walk here, but Eastwood Farm, and it's right by the River Avon. And we've sort of come in where this U here is, and we're going to go this way round the walkway on this side where 4 and 5 and stuff is. That's all blocked off by water at the moment, so we're just going to do our best. Things to warm up. Is Mel or me going to fall over today? Who knows? Yeah. How you doing, Mel? Is it muddy? No. Everyone, please back me up. So, no. Right, Mel is pregnant. Look at that. It's as flimsy as anything.
Test it.
No, I'm not testing that because I see what you're doing there. See what she's doing, guys? So she wants me to fall in the mud.
Yeah,
because she's almost slipped over a couple of times, and I'm more steady on my feet today. Mel's not happy with the situation. Mel, just stay to that side and you'll be absolutely fine. So Mel's decided to give up on the mud. It is pretty bad today. The river's flooded a bit, so we're just gonna push on for a little bit. I'm not gonna leave Mel for too long, but she's got a bench. So leave her there for a sec. Guys, it's basically like that all the way now, so we're gonna head back. In these trees here, some birds' nests. If anyone knows which birds they are, then hit that in the comments. I have no idea because I'm not a massive bird watcher, but I'm sure someone will know. There's any chance of it staying today, but it has just started sleeting. These boots are amazing, honestly. As I didn't do my stairs yesterday at home, stairs to go up, stairway to heaven. Well, there's a carrot on the floor, that would help. Grabbing the carrot, it's on the floor. Right.
What's this?
I say I don't advise you feeding your own food, but considering the carrots in the area where the horse would have eaten already, it's just one they've missed.
No. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Good?
That's it.
That's all I've got.
Mel's saying shorts are not good for snow, but it's not actually that cold, so why not? Brings us to the end of Eastwood Farm Nature Reserve. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.